Hey, what's up guys, and it's all here. Huawei P40, P40 Pro, and P40 Pro Plus. Yes, that's what they're calling their super premium edition that will compete directly with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Also, stick around till the end of the video. I will be announcing the giveaway winner for the Galaxy S20 and S20 Ultra. So first up, the official renders are here and they require your immediate attention because if you look at the P40 Pro, this is the first time we're seeing a quad curved display. It looks pretty overwhelming. I remember talking about a phone with this look back in 2017. I thought it's gonna be Samsung doing this, but obviously they now have a different direction for their phone. But Huawei, on the other hand, has done it and it's looking really good. The top has no bezel except a little on each side. It's probably using the sound on display technology. If you look at the bottom of the phone, it's also looking very chinless. They might have gone by folding the display drivers the way Apple does with their iPhones, but honestly guys, the chin is looking incredibly small. Of course, that punch hole is there, which is in the pill-shaped format. It is similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus but bigger in size. Now if we look at the standard Huawei P40 design, the difference is insane. Look at how futuristic Pro looks. It is absolutely in its own league. Both are rocking dual pill-shaped pinhole selfie cameras. These are 32 megapixel cameras with a TOF sensor that will assist in portrait selfies, and also it could assist in 3D face unlock. The display is 6.5-inch OLED quad curved Quad HD for the P40 Pro model, whereas the 6.1-inch slightly smaller flat OLED panel is for the standard P40. The design is incredibly premium with stainless steel sides, nice big keys on the sides with colored power button, glass back, and tons of color options. Perhaps the biggest feature on the Huawei phones are always their cameras, which are looking amazing than ever. This will most likely destroy the DxOMark chart as soon as these will be out on the market. So we have the latest Sony's unreleased 50 megapixel sensor along with a 40 megapixel cine lens, which is ultra wide of course, and then a 12 megapixel telephoto lens which is capable of 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid, and up to 50x digital zoom. Of course, this is the camera setup for the Huawei P40 Pro. The normal P40 loses on the periscope lens as well as the Cine ultra wide, so instead you get 8 megapixel zoom lens and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. But what it does pack is the same main 50 megapixel camera lens as the Pro model, which is amazing. It's going to improve the low light photography massively as well as the night mode capability. The Mate 30 from last year has probably the most powerful night mode on a phone when it comes to handheld night mode photography, and it's only gonna get better thanks to Huawei XD Fusion engine for pictures. Yes, Huawei has this brand new Fusion engine that's gonna help enhance the photos as well as the videos, so we're gonna see more about this once these phones are out. For the battery size, we have a 4200 mAh battery for the P40 Pro and a 3800 mAh battery for the P40. Now there's also a P40 Pro Plus model as well. We don't know the full specification for that. That's the model with 5 cameras on the back compared to the 4 that we're gonna see on the normal Pro model. In addition to that, it's also packing 3 sensors on the front, so possibly an ultra wide angle lens selfie could be there. The Plus model could also feature the 40 watts of wireless charging, which is the fastest wireless charging solution on the market at this time. This could be exclusive to the Pro Plus model, whereas other two models could only support up to the impressive 27 watts. As always, all these models will support 40 watts of cable charging. There's actually no info on the display refresh rate, but we have heard that these models will support up to 90 Hz. And for the apps, Huawei has done a cheeky implementation. The Play Store replacement app, aka App Gallery, now have a app search implementation which will help you easily download apps from Amazon App Store, APK Mirror, APK Monk, APK Pure, and some other websites. So pretty much you will be able to get most of the apps you want to install on your phone, if not all the apps that you see on Google Play Store, very easily on the P40 family. As for the core Google applications, they will be replaced by Huawei's own services. All in all, Huawei is looking pretty strong. They did not give up and they keep coming back with all these restrictions from US. They're still bringing some amazing smartphones on the market, especially the P40 Pro. I really do like the look of the phone. This time around, Huawei P40 family will come internationally as well. Most likely let's start with Europe and UK. So let me know your thoughts on the P40 family. Will you consider buying these phones this time around? Because I feel like Huawei's done pretty good job with the software. But of course, Google apps will not be there. I'm sure there will be some sideload method. But yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and yeah, let's get down to the giveaway announcement. Okay guys, it is time to draw the winners, and let's go. Here we go. It is drawing. It's gonna take some time. No, 100%. It is done. So here are the winners. As you can see, Muhammad Habib and Jaheem Austin. So one is from Bangladesh and one is from Canada. These are the winners. So once again, thank you so much for being a part of this. And yeah, as always, I will definitely be doing more of these giveaways when more flagship phones are out. Gonna keep the tradition. More exciting stuff coming. Please stay tuned for all of that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.